Hey guys, we're back with a 2016, 17, who knows what it is, Subaru Crosstrek. We are going to do a pad slap here on the back. All we need is a 14 millimeter wrench, and then I'm using a caliper spreader tool. You got 2 bolts here in the back. Don't tighten it yet, loosen it. One there. One there at the bottom. Let's pull those off. There's our bottom bolt. There's our top bolt. We're going to pull our caliper off. Set it aside for a minute. Pull our pads. The outside pad, there's still a little bit of meat left, but it's probably good we're changing it. The inside pad is, well, you got down and broke the squelch pad. So the only notice you would have had is metal on metal contact, which isn't always fun. Let's pull our hardware off. How many miles do you have on this car, Tara?
95.
95. Original brakes. Let's check our guide pins. They're actually really good and lubed. There's like no corrosion or anything back here. That's good. Our new hardware put on. I'm gonna put a little bit of the brake grease underneath here, just in case anything gets back here. It's, not going to do anything we don't want it to do. Now we'll put our hardware on.
Look how fast I can go on my scooter.
There's one. All right, now let's put our pads in. There's our... It shouldn't. It's probably just me.
But they're the same size, right?
Yep. It was just me.
Would more grease help?
Nope. There we go. Let's see.
Do you have to have those tools, or is it just...
No, we're actually going to do something different. This won't fit in there. So, since our special tool won't fit in the caliper, we're just going to get a giant C-clamp. Going to get one of our old pads. Put it in there. There we go. Push that piston back in to where it needs to go. Boom. Just like that. So now, before we reassemble everything, we're going to get some of our lube. We're going to put it on the ears. And oh my goodness. The ears and then the face of the rotor. Or the rotor. The caliper. There we go. Have that on everything. Make sure our hose isn't pinched up or anything. I'm going to slide our caliper back on. Tighten down our hardware. Not sure what the torque spec on this is. We're just going to snug it down. There we go. And that is done, my friends. So, remember, the heart of a good brake job, as soon as you're done with both sides, make sure you go inside and you pump your brake pedal. That way you're going to have brakes when you go to move. Anyway, if you guys like what you saw here, give us that thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see y'all next time.